Yeah, bro. You have so much. So if you had to pick one,
What would I pick? My favorite food from Jamaica?
yes.
The ladies' nipples. That's my.
No man, no, the lady's nipples, chat. Oh my gosh,
I'm on a liquid diet right now, though.
bro. What that mean? What that
breast
mean?
milk. I'm only drinking liquid, so I'm on a breast milk diet.
What that mean? Put me on, like, so only breast milk?
Yeah, and I get it directly from the source.
What?
I'm fucking with you.
Chat, only breast milk, chat.
Only breast milk and straight vibes rum.
Big he turned into a whole.
I was watching the whole thing.
What?
Yeah,
What's the
I
whole
was
stream?
in prison. I was watching the whole thing. You were on the
What?
street, say you want to spy
Wait,
big body, a girl with big body like Spike.
Yo!
The man there carnival. You're in the club with Russian.
What?
You're the all about. I was there. Well, I wasn't there. I was watching from prison.
Wait, you can watch? You was watching from prison? How?
Yeah, I still had my eyes.
Whoa! Chad!
Yeah, man, we got
He
the
was
TV. We
what?
got the,
Yo.
yeah, we got this phone. Come on, I'm in a cell. Why would I not have a cell phone, bro?
Right. Now
Think about it.
Wait,
Yo,
What
dude, mix up all the slangs and just put all the slangs in a pot and just stir it. Yeah.
One pot.
Yo,
that's crazy.
Ray, what the hell, bro?
Yeah, my baby moms, all of us is cool. So big up to them, my fiance. And to me, she's cuter than Beyonce.